name's Manette Montemayor and I'm the proud project manager of Essential Screen Skills, and we deliver the Screen and Media Gateway Industry to Schools program, and we're very proud to have Canterbury College as one of our gateway schools. We started this relationship in 2021 and we've done a few special projects, including this one here. This is the second iteration of the media production program that's associated with capturing the amazing United Nations festival that happens here on Canterbury College campus.
So the whole project started in term 2 with a pre-production workshop. We then moved on to the actual UN Day festival itself and the shoot there. And today we are in our post-production workshop where the students are curating the footage, going through everything and starting to put together the final videos.
It's wonderful to run programs like this where I get to impart a little bit of industry workflow experience. Organisation's a really key thing for the kids to learn about, and the kids have been fantastic with and sort of attacking the footage with gusto, and it's been great to actually see them learning and developing those skills into something that is going to sort of grow them into great filmmakers.
I've sort of learnt how to, work with a full film crew, which is a very interesting experience to have. It's definitely something to prepare you for the professional world.
My favourite part of the project is probably just actually working with people, and like when our camera crews were seeing like their vision of it come true and seeing their shots and being proud of their work. I think that's probably the best part.
I think the most enjoyable part of the workshop was actually going and doing the film work on the day. It's a lot of work, and running around with the crew was super fun, trying to get really good shots.
It's definitely a different challenge working with such a large group of people, but I think it's key to learn that skill of managing that, especially when we're doing projects in the real world.
I think it's prepared me for future projects and different areas of film and TV through sort of knowing what the professional world would look like within film. It's really exciting to see sort of where this could lead for my future projects within film.